Hello everyone, my name is Saf. You're watching Rayon Tech TV and I'm your career guide in IT. Today we are discussing why Appian apps are optimized for mobile application development. Before starting, support me by subscribing my channel because I bring videos regularly on low code for all the tech enthusiasts like you. Let's continue on the video now. The question is why Appian apps are optimized for mobile application development. The reasons are as follows. Point number one, responsive design. Appian allows developers to create responsive interfaces that adapt to different screen sizes and orientations. This is achieved through the use of flexible layouts and media queries internally with Appian. When designing interfaces, developers can define the rules that determine how components and layouts should adjust based on the user's device. Point number two, mobile-friendly components. Appian provides a variety of mobile components that are designed to work well on smaller screen. These components are optimized for touch interactions and provide a seamless user experience on mobile devices. Point number three, native mobile app components. Appian offers native mobile components that can be easily integrated into your applications. These components leverage native device capabilities such as the camera, GPS, and notifications. This allows you to build applications that take full advantage of the features available on mobile devices. Point number four, offline functionality. Appian supports offline functionality, allowing users to continue using the application even when they are not connected to the internet. This is particularly important for mobile apps as users may not always have a reliable internet connection. Data synchronization mechanisms ensure that the data changes made offline are synchronized with the server once the device is back online. Point number five, device-specific customization. Appian allows you to customize the behavior and appearance of your app based on the user's device. You can use expressions and rules to conditionally show or hide components and adjust the layouts or trigger the specific actions based on the media device type. Point number six, mobile app deployment. Appian provides various options for deploying your applications as native mobile apps. This means that users can download the app from app stores like Apple App Store or Google Play Store. These native apps provides a seamless experience and can be easily accessed from the user's device. Point number seven, offline data storage. Appian apps can store the data locally on the device, enabling offline access to certain information. This data is stored securely on the device and can be used even when the app is not connected to the internet. Once the device reconnects, the locally stored data can be synchronized with the server centrally. In the summary, Appian's optimization for mobile app development is driven by the responsive design approach, native mobile components, offline capabilities, and device-specific customization options. These technical features collectively contribute to creating mobile applications that deliver a user-friendly experience and take full advantage of the capabilities of mobile devices. I'll be there for our next video. Till then, take care. Bye.